Jefferson County Hazardous Materials Unit. This is an update to the nuclear power plant warning issued 4 hours ago. Radiation is spreading across the county. At this time, residents are strongly advised to remain indoors to prevent radiation sickness. For further information, visit www.utscmd/radiation risk. Repeat, do not go outside, as radiation is spreading across the county. If you must travel, wear a gas mask rated CPRN. In addition, residents are to avoid the area surrounding the Techron Industries nuclear research plant until further notice.
This is WXGC7 with a programming notice. Due to an active emergency ongoing within the city, we have decided to enable emergency operations. All normal programming has been suspended until the emergency is over.
Yep, in the words of DJ Khaled,
another one.